Jayda, and here I'm going to show you how to do eyeshadow. I start with eyeshadow and then do foundation so that anything that falls off I can cover up with foundation. So first I use an eyeshadow primer, and this is what I use, but you can use any brand. You can get all makeup really from Target, any store. It doesn't have to be fancy. This is the palette I use. It's called Nightingale, but you do not have to have this. Basically, you just need to have 3 shades of brown and a white color. So I'll be using a light and kind of a shimmery one and a sparkly white, and then I'm using these 3 browns. And you don't have to use any sparkles at all, but I just like to use some sparkles. So first I'm gonna use this one right here called Hide and Seek, that one. And I'm using this fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna put it on the crease of my eye, which is above like your eyeball. So put that all in there. And you want to be pretty generous with this one. It's a lighter color. And also get it up onto your brow bone some as well. With stage makeup, you want more color at the top of your eye than you would wear on a normal day. And generally you just want to wear a lot more than you would wear in public ever. I'm also bringing it down some onto the bottom part of my lid. Then for the highlighted portions, first I'm just going to use the matte white. And I use my finger for this. And put it on your brow bone. And also on your inner crease. Use this, it's a really light shimmery brown. And I'm gonna go kind of from the inner crease on the bottom portion of my lid, just so there's no blank spot on the eyelid. And then you'll want to take a medium brown. I'm going to use a medium shimmery color right here with, let's see, I'm going to use this angled brush. I'm going to put it right in the middle of my eyelid. Then using the same brush, I'm going to take this dark brown right here, and now I'm going to put it on the outer V of my crease, so that's the crease and then going into the bottom here. First I'm just kind of lightly tapping it so I don't get too much color anywhere. Now I'm going to add some sparkle. So I'm going to use this dark sparkly brown, and you can probably use the same brush again, but I'm using this crease brush, kind of a rounded brush. And I'm just going to follow the same pattern that I just did of the outer V of my crease. And with any sparkly fallout you have, just take a big fluffy brush and brush it away. Add some highlights, so now I'm using this sparkly white. I'm going to put it over where I had my other white. So you want to have nice highlighted at the top of your brow bone. Fluffy brush, and just lightly do little circles. And then you want to do eyebrows. So I have this eyebrow brush, which isn't necessary, but I just use it to put my eyebrows in place. See, eyebrow cream it says, but any eyebrow filler is fine.